I acknowledge your participation. That's really good. Okay din yung mga nag-CR lang kasi kung hindi, tuloy-tuloy tayo, antakin kayo eh. Diba? So, can I just get 1 or 2 shares? No, maybe your own learning or yung learning na shinare ng partner mo na nagustuhan mo. So, anyone who wants to share, lalapit na lang ako. Anyone who wants to share his or her learning? Parang nasa school pa rin tayo, umuyo ko pag No right and wrong answer, don't worry. Who wants to share? Ano yung pinaka-biggest realization nyo today? Puntahan natin to si Ma'am sa likod. Thank you for volunteering. What's your name? Mai. Okay.
Yung discussion kasi natin, dahil meron kang pinresent kanina na medyo growing yung BPO sa Philippines, parang ang naging realization namin is meron kasi kaming investment sa property. Ngayon, nag-decide kami na yung investment sa property na yun is for personal, and then plano namin bumili pa ng isang property para mag-invest para dun sa kaparin para sa growing market ng BPO.
Wala mo natin si Mai. Because of that, I'll give you something. So, thank you for sharing. So, ganda na realization niya. Can you choose ano yung mas gusto mo rito? Isa lang. Okay, thank you, Mai. So sabi niya, meron silang meron silang investment, pero personal property nila yon. And because you realize that there's a good opportunity to cater the BPO market, then they would want to buy another property to cater with them. So, thank you for that sharing, Mai and husband. Ano nga name ni sir? Joseph, thank you. Who else? Huwag ka na naman. Natakasan na. Isa naman doon, naka-black. Galingan mo to pag hindi ko ito nagustuhan. What's your name?
William po.
William.
Thank you. Idol ko yung nanay at tatay ko. Nanay ko kasi teacher. Tatay ko OFW, so dito nagtuturo ako sa Singapore. Naiyak na ako. Nalala ko tatay ko. Ayun sir, bali, yung sa akin baliktad kasi nag-invest ako sa property in 2015 sa SMDC rin. Tapos kinakabahan ako. Tapos yung pangalawa naman, nag-invest ako sa stocks. Pero ginawa ko yun, hindi pa ako, parang nag-accumulate ako ng mga credit card debts dito sa Singapore. And I was like paying those debts since I started back in 2010. Pero thankfully, ngayon taon, kasi parang I recognized the value of financial literacy. So a year ago, mas naging responsable na ako sa finances ko. Tapos my target sana parang by middle of this year, I should be able to pay off my debts. And sabi ko nga parang actually halos next month mababayaran ko na in full yung utang ko sa credit card, and I plan not to use my credit card and those loans that I took last time. Yeah.
Thank you. So unahin mo muna bayaran yung credit card debt. And are you paying it monthly? So that money, you can transfer it into an investment. Yung regular na nilalagay mo. Pwede mo nang invest yun kasi you can live with that income alone, di ba? So that's very good. You can start investing that money. No? So sige, palapalan natin si William ulit. Buti ka na makalimutan, no? Okay. Anyone wants to share for free? Yung walang bonus pero mag-share. Grabe naman. Yan. Thank you. Bonus talaga ito, wala na akong ibigay.
So yung,
What's your name?
Mark.
Mark, sige.
So yung realize namin ng misis ko, since meron kaming property for personal use sana, and since nabanggit mo nga, mas okay na mag-start muna ng business. So naisip namin, since 3 to 5 years pa naman kami dito, i-convert muna namin sa rental property para nababayaran din namin yung equity ng bahay every month. So, and then, ma-reinvest namin yung kinikita namin dito. So, gano'n.
Thank you. Palapakan natin si Mark. Wala talaga akong bibigay. Yun lang yung budget na binigay sa akin ni Rex, na over budget na ako. Okay, so but thank you for sharing. You know, I appreciate your sharing. It means a lot to me kasi at least I know na merong sense yung sinasabi ko dito sa unahan. That's one. Pangalawa, at least you're learning, and because you are sharing something, you can start really implementing it for your own self, diba? That's why I gave time para mag-sink in yung learning. Hirap magbigay lahat ng topics, no? After ko dito, mas technical yung pag-uusapan natin. So, you digest it first, so that's good. And maybe in the future, you can also teach other people. Diba? Yun naman ang goal natin. Sabi ko nga sa team ko, I'm not just building followers, I'm building leaders. So, pagdating sabi ko nga sa TGFI communities kay Rex, let's start continuously building leaders here. So that, you know, hindi naman habang buhay nandito sa Singapore yung mga yan eh. Yung mga leaders na rito, di ba? So there should be leaders na maiiwan pa rin dito to continue the cause. Di ba? So, that's very good. I appreciate it. Okay, so who wants to learn some more about real estate? Technical terms, etc. So, the next topic is the opportunities in real properties. So before I call on my partner, one of my partners in Driven, because 5 kami dun, right, discuss ko lang briefly itong opportunities in real properties. Then, I will call him to talk about some of the guidelines as well, buying guides, taxation, etc. Okay, so, again, as I mentioned, you should answer this first question. No? Para ba to sa investment or personal use? No? So, when you talk about personal use, ano yung mga opportunities, no? Pag nag-invest ka sa personal use? Kung may personal property ka na, ano na yung meron ka sa kamay mo? No? Ano yung ibig sabihin niya titulo na yan? Number one, right, of course you say goodbye to rent. If you're renting or your family is renting, if you have family abroad, hindi ka na nagbabayad ng renta. Diba? That's something good because, you know, ang nag-accumulate lang yung landlady mo, landlord mo eh. Diba? Kapag nagbabayad ka ng rent, ito at least sa'yo na. Diba? You're paying amortization, pero at least naiipon mo na siya for your own self. Diba? So, that's one of the major importance of having a personal property. It's like a savings plan for you. No, savings pa lang siya. Next is, naro-roll mo siya into your heirs. Diba? So, kumbaga sa mga, pwede mo siya ipamana. Ito yung talagang property na pwede mong ipamana. And, kumbaga, lalo na kung mayroon tong income eventually. Diba? I'm a product of this. Swerte ako sa mother side. There's a property of my grandfather. Na si mommy, hindi na kailangan bumili ng sariling property. Tapos doon ako nagtumira nung nag-college ako. Diba? So, hindi na kailangan gumastos ni mommy to buy another property. And even ako, hindi ko sila ngayon kailangan bilihan ng property kasi doon nakatira si mommy ngayon. Diba? Doon sa bahay, sa ancestral house pa rin namin sa Pasay. Diba? It helped me to start, instead of buying my own or other properties for them, no, hindi na ako na sandwich generation. I'm so blessed to be one of them. Right? Still, tumutulong ako sa kanila, but not too sandwiched. No, hindi ako naging part of those sandwich generations. That's why I can pay it forward to other people. So, yun yung impact nito. Pag meron kang personal property at naipon mo yan, diba? You're helping the next generation. Right? I'm always grateful kasi sa mga natatanggap ko eh. So yun yung naisip ko, no? Sabi ko, swerte ako, hindi ko kailangan tumulong sa family ko. And that's why I made it a commitment to help other people. Right? When I earn a lot of money, I always help. Actually, nagsisimula pa lang ako, ganun na talaga. At least 10% of my income I give to other people already. Diba? So, kailangan yun. Because I was beneficiary of that. Right? Hanggang ngayon, pag meron kaming birthday, doon kami nagpupunta, masaya. Diba? Ganun din sa father side ko. My grandfather has a house. Meron din sila doon. Hanggang ngayon, doon nakatira yung lola ko. Diba? Sa Quezon City naman. So, we're so blessed. So, kung may personal property ka, yan yung pwede maging impact niyan. Maaaring hindi mo na nakikita. Patay na dalawang lolo ko. Diba? But, you know, I still hats off to them. Right? So, you will leave a legacy. Basta meron kang magandang maiiwanan sa mga anak mo and magiging apo mo. Is that good? Kung ganun ka mag-isip. Diba? And lastly, as well, it could be your retirement home. Diba? How many of you wants to retire in the Philippines? Almost all. Wants to retire here in Singapore? Baka mo meron, di ba? May mga kilala ako, gusto talaga sa ibang bansa. Di ba? Very few, maybe less than 1%. Di ba? So, at the end of the day, at least meron kang retirement home. Di ba? Na hopefully, towards the end of your working years, na-settle mo na yung house mo. Hindi mo na kailangan bayaran yun. And hopefully, your pension will be suffice for the daily expenses. Meaning your stock investments, VULs, etc. Diba? Or your other rental properties, enough na yon. Kasi yung tinitirahan mo, wala kang gastos doon. It's really good. Ang laking impact nun, little did you know. Until nandoon ka na. Diba? So, it could be a great retirement home. Is that good? So, does it also make sense to have your personal property? Meron din naman. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung gusto nyo unahin. Right? Depende sa tao yan.